Hello and welcome. This is Jason going over the Tpep and PLN, Professional Learning Networks Final with you. I bring you now to my DGO website, which has a whole bunch of fun stuff in it with regards to websites that have lots of information regarding lesson plans or differentiation and learning how to do DGO. So as far as the Tpep, Criterion 1, centering instruction on high expectations for student achievement. I believe that with the next-gen science standards, this link here gives me the groundwork for what all of my students will need to know per year in the science world. But that just gives me a groundwork. I expect to go above and beyond what they learn here and just learn a whole bunch more about life and science and people and relationships in my classrooms. Criterion 2, demonstrating effective teaching practices. Once you have the standards and you develop fun lesson plans through the multiple things, learning how to tie those in to what the state is looking for as far as your teaching practices is important. Here we have the depth of knowledge overview chart, which takes the blooms and then blows it up and gives you things that you should be trying to achieve in getting your students to think critically and answer deep thought questions. Criterion 4, providing clear and intentional focus on subject matter, content, and curriculum. I think that ties in more with just the lesson planning. And I have many fun things here in my professional learning network as to lesson plans, whether it's through NASA or National Science Teachers Association or the NEA or Open Ed, many different sites that have developed lesson plans with specific learning targets involved and lots of fun activities for kids to do, to learn with. Jump to Criterion 7, communicating and collaborating with parents and school communities. There are some fun sites that you can set up groups with, including here. You can set up a DGO site as a group, like we have here. Thanks, Morgan. But you can also use just texts and GroupMe and other things like that. But there's just a few, as I see my time is out, a few things that I have found helpful in my professional learning network. Thank you. It's JEdTrim, JAEDTRIM, if you want to take a look.